Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. I'm going to unleash 5 different methods to create new documents in Microsoft Office Word. So let's dive in. First, creating new documents using the File tab. Locate your file. In other versions, we have Office button. This other one. So click on it, then in between recent and print, you have your new there. Here you have pre-designed templates and blank documents. So we're going to use the blank document. Select it, then click on create. You will have a new blank document. Secondly, create a new document using Ctrl+N. This is one of the most simplest. So you just go to your keyboard and press Ctrl+N and you have it. A new document will appear. Thirdly, create a new document on the desktop. I don't know if you've tried that before, but the only thing you need to do is to go to your desktop and locate an empty space where there isn't any icon. So this is my desktop. Just right click and you have new. If you observe, you have new. Click on the new. You have options that will appear. Doc document. Yours might show you Microsoft Office Word. So just click on it and you have a new document. The fourth one is creating a new document using Save As. You can simply go to your File tab and click on Save As, or you can simply press the F12 button on your keyboard. The Save As window will appear, so you have the environment like this. So all you need to do is to change the name. Only that will make it a new document. Then you click on Save. You can find this at the bottom right of your window. The last one is creating a new document using Quick Access Toolbar. I don't know if you've tried that before. The only thing you need to do is just go to this drop down sign here for the Quick Access Toolbar. You have it here, okay? So when you click on it, you'll see new, open, save. Just click on new. We are going to add it to the Quick Access. This will give us room to add a new command, so you can click on it to start a new document. By utilizing these different methods, you can quickly create new documents and unleash your productivity in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.